is on display at the International Cryptozoology Museum in Portland, Maine. It recalls the big and bloodthirsty bunny that left locals trembling in fear. Madrid, Spain. This capital city has a sinister claim to fame. It's home to the only public monument in the world dedicated to Satan, the fountain of the fallen angel. Standing 666 meters above sea level, the bronze sculpture depicts the angel Lucifer being cast out of heaven. And those wishing to uncover more dark secrets can head across town to Spain's National Museum of Natural Sciences. Here, among the animal skeletons and dinosaur fossils, is a truly creepy specimen.
It's all coiled up in a jar. It has 2 eyes. It has scales. And if it were alive, you would not want to be in the same room with it.
A deadly creature like this played a starring role in the downfall of history's most beguiling figure.
The dark secrets behind Egypt's famous queen are about to be revealed.
Of all the rulers in the annals of history, few loom larger in the imagination than the powerful Queen of the Nile, Cleopatra.
Cleopatra is a woman who ruled in a man's world. She was said to be beautiful and very intelligent.
And perhaps the most iconic moment of the Queen's life happened just before her demise. The tale begins in the year 31 BC. Cleopatra faces an existential crisis. Egypt has been invaded by a powerful Roman army under the command of General Octavian.
Octavian was the adopted son of Julius Caesar. He didn't like Cleopatra, and he wanted to rule the world.
You're just a chewer.
When the Roman legions defeat Cleopatra's army, the queen is forced to flee. Eventually, she holds up in a sealed mausoleum with 2 of her handmaidens. Then, to put Octavian off her scent, Cleopatra comes up with a clever ruse. She sends out a bogus message to the effect that she's already taken her own life. However, the plan backfires. Her lover, Mark Antony, hears the rumor and believes it to be true. In response, he takes drastic action.
So, in his despair, he killed himself.
After hearing the news of Antony's suicide, Cleopatra decides she too must end it all.
Cleopatra was so bereft and distraught that she decided to take her own life.
And as the story goes, Cleopatra orders that a poisonous Egyptian cobra, also known as an asp, be brought into the chamber. She presses the snake to her skin until it bites. Then her servants do the same. Within minutes, the entire royal party is dead.
This was the tragic demise of Egypt's last pharaoh and famous queen.
Where is it?
Ooh.
The story that we heard